In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email on Deel. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, so your account email is updated smoothly and securely. First, log into your Deel account using your usual sign-in method. Make sure you're accessing the correct account, especially if you manage more than one profile, and confirm you can get into the new email address you want to use. That will matter in a moment. Once you're in, look toward the top corner of the screen for your profile avatar. Click it to open the menu, then choose Profile Settings. If your layout looks a little different, that avatar is typically a small circle with your initials or a picture. Profile Settings is where your personal details and account preferences live, so it's the right place for this change. Inside Profile Settings, navigate to the tab labeled Account Access. On some versions, you might see it called Security. Both names point to the same area of your settings, the place where you manage how you sign in and how your information is protected. This section is designed to keep changes like an email update safe and traceable. Next, find your current email address and click the pencil icon next to it. The pencil is the universal edit button, and clicking it tells Deel that you want to update this specific field. Take a second to verify you're editing the email line and not another detail. Now type in your new email address carefully, exactly as it should appear. It's a good idea to double-check for typos, extra spaces, or the wrong domain before you proceed. When you're confident it's correct, click Next to Continue. This step sets the change in motion, and Deel will prepare to verify that the new address belongs to you. At this point, a verification email will be sent to your new address. Keep an eye on your inbox and check your spam or promotions folders just in case. Email delivery can take a minute or two, depending on your provider. This verification step exists to protect your account, ensuring that only you can approve the update. The message you receive will include the instructions you need to complete the process. That's all there is to it. You logged in, went to Profile Settings, opened the Account Access or Security tab, used the pencil icon to edit your email, entered the new address, clicked Next, and waited for the verification email to arrive. If the message doesn't show up after a reasonable amount of time, try searching your inbox for Deel and confirm that the new email was entered correctly. Thanks for watching, and you're all set to manage your contact details with confidence.